The bonus video. The bonus. The bonus video today is going to be the tour of the studio. The final day, people just come here, they get hung out, have some coffee, drinks. By drinks, I mean non-alcoholic drinks. And they get in line for a tour of the studio. No. Let me record one of the tours. And carry on, business as usual. I'm not here.
Okay, guys. So, first of all, who is here for the first time? Okay. Who is here for the first conference?
Ja, bekend groot is even een jaar.
So welcome and thanks for coming. And we were
This is the new
kitchen area.
This is a new structure for projects we're thinking on having in Blender. It's your rough material, but that is where we plan to do stuff.
There, on that projector, we do the weeklies. So, like at the end of the week, we get together with the team and look at the work that people have done, especially the art department. Always fun to see obviously the work when you're working on a team. You get a feeling how things are going, and this is a place for actually work on it. Thank you. Some of you may have seen this from the 1 year.
Sorry, what?
It's not distracting at all. From 1 year ago, we printed this. This thing is a model that Andy made from the Agent 327. It's done by Nimaki, it's a 3D printing company that does full color resin printing. So this comes out of a printer like this. And they've been super nice, supporting us, and they've been making multiple copies of these things, sending it even to film studios to get them like a feeling of what their technology can do, and they like to work with us because we happily share the models with them. And they always try to push the limits, so guess what? Now we actually do this. And this is like a set from the Agent 27 barbershop proof of concept.
3D printed in the same technology.
Yeah, just basically you press a button, like you go in Blender with the set, you press a button, and then the printer. That's not how it works. You work for a few months, and that's mostly the work that Sam, that is sitting there, and Andy did together with the same care that they're using to prepare those sandwiches.
Do not feed the artists. We have here, I don't know if Francesco is gonna show, so I'm gonna show because he's just babbling there about stuff. This is the original planning for the conference.
Which changed completely.
I know.
Like a breeze of wind came.
Yeah.
Let's see, this Saturday, 2 o'clock. It's really interesting. Hello, Andy.
Making sandwiches for the guys who are giving the tours because they're gonna starve otherwise.
We don't want them to die. Get to see outside. Get to see a bunch of Ubisoft gifts. Because Sibron and everyone were there last week. Now let's go to the official tour again. People are stray. You'll be scolded.
They are still developing this printer. It's really high-end stuff, and they like to get the assets because it's easy for them to just replicate them, put them, on trade shows and stuff like that. So continuing, this is our room of requirements where we keep all the stuff that is needed to have a building like this working, from the light bulbs to the bike wheels to the power plugs, and we have a little 3D printer, pieces of computers. It's not the room that you can be the most proud of, but you need. This place used to be an employment agency, so like to help people who didn't have a job to actually find out what to do next and how to do it. And that's why they built this glass and steel prisons where people would go in and find out about their life. Actually, the place is usually divided in two. You can see here, and basically, yeah, this is like solid steel and double glass, and it's extremely expensive to remove. So if you would ever want to get rid of that, it's an expense that we are trying to figure out how to make.
And here is where Blender today is recorded. Pablo has its own fidget spinner. And everyone is only allowed to do this once a day. Otherwise, Pablo gets mad. So once a day, that's my quota.
It's logistically not easy. It's not, if you start, we looked into it, and it's not an easy thing to do.
Special Halloween
The
decoration.
idea would be to make like similar rooms, but a little bit more like designed, like a little bit more.
And what previously was here before this?
It was an unemployment agency. It was like, so when you don't have a job, you go in the room and you say, "I want my money, what can I do?"
That's why it's reinforced. Lots of chairs flying.
We're going to go there, but the other way around, bothering from Sergey. This is a special video edition. It's the only time I'm going to bother you, Sergey. It's for my fur people. That's Sergey working in the wild. Let's look. And his neighbor is Francesco.
And then they tell me about the problem. They just tell me what is your problem, and I try to help you. And that's what I do, like basically most of the time during the day.
You could have hash sessions for feature requests.
Yeah, no, that's in the other room, and that's not there is no couch there to start with.
Yeah,
so
but the couch will help.
that gives you
And
an
then you
idea.
calmly explain why you can't have this feature.
That gives you an idea about why though there is no couch there. And then when I am back to my work, I do like, hey, this is the Compagnie Theater floor plan, for example, to plan like how we're gonna do stuff. This is the voting ballots that didn't print, so then we have to find out how to print it again the day before the conference because it doesn't work, and like all these kind of little problems that come up during the days of before the conference. And then I have like a pile of frames, and you're gonna find out why very soon. So that's my place, and to continue very quickly the tour, we have this is Sergey's office, so I can have a little bit more like about my request, so I can give this, of course, working from my own desk. Yeah. This is our vintage library with like the cigarette proceedings from the 90s when I was like learning how to make Blender out of thin air without the internet, and like
86.
It reminds me of a place I worked in the past.
yeah, this is like all the Blender books that people send us when people make a Blender manual or something like that. They just send it to us, and then like some DVDs.
Oh, but one, my book's not here. Somewhere else. Should fix that later.
So some figurines, like this is a prop from the Tears of Steel open movie.
Do you get these figurines every time you complete a project or something?
No, this is nothing from us. It's just like just like a collection of different kind of things over time. Some stuff, but Don brought it over from Japan. Some are like gifts from people. This is like from SIGGRAPH. There is like all sorts of random stuff. They just go end up there on that desk. These are some.
Oh, second tour's already coming out from there. Oh my gosh.
Glass prison experience.
Do you guys usually work?
You can see how the sound is isolated when you're here. It's not so
So it
annoying.
gives the feeling of livelihood. So you have to think of them as real life animatronics. Like sometimes people come in if they want to do something. Like the office is always open. So like if people have the key. So if you want to do stuff, and you will see upstairs the kind of stuff that people do, then you maybe come on Sunday, but it's not really like it's really not that. This is Pablo's office. This is where Blender Today is made. Some of you maybe know.
Oh, okay.
Blender
This is
Today.
where Pablo
so you can
recorded?
sit on the Blender Today desk. This is it. With a fidget spinner.
Or you put his beer somewhere?
Yeah, exactly. That's where magic happens. But he's not here. There is gonna be an autograph signing session later, probably. But you guys have to stick around. For
So
that.
bitter.
Yeah.
Need a professional camera crew, someone like walking me around.
Yeah,
so
watch
no-
out, you're gonna fall into the plant. After lunch, part of the crew usually comes here and sits. So as you know from our job, there is a lot of sitting. So we sit some more after lunch when we are tired from the sitting. And we look outside at the people walking, at the life going by, and looking at our film posters. And that's like great entertainment. Because you see there is a poster right there, so that's like what it is, I don't even remember what movie that is. And,
Agent.
yeah, so
The one
people
closest
do
to
like
agent.
that. And this is the schedule of the Blender conference. So that's usually the way it works is we get all the sessions, we approve the sessions, then we print them, and
Oh,
then
they look
together
fantastic.
we like make this, and then we shuffle things around.
Good
and
work,
so on.
Nacho.
We build the first iteration, and then it usually remains around for many months until the event is done, and then we throw it away.
So basically, you both do the production of your movies here and also development in the same.
That's the beauty of it, everything is combined.
So you all work together.
And now we go
I
to
thought you had a separate space for the production of the movies and another space for the development.
well, we are actually going to see the movie.
Now the movie never ends because then you join the second tour. It's always the same.
The captain and the judges, which is like the helper of the captain from a new gallery that we've been creating recently, so that when you actually go to work, you see what's been going on here for a little while, even if this is not exactly the original place where it happened. So it's like concept art from Elephant Dream to Big Bunny to Single to Jesus Steel.
All the pre-markers.
Like half of this stuff is from David Dubois, like the art, and Sarah Lauter. And here we're gonna get the spring. We don't have time to print it yet because the conference is happening. Like some of them are meant to be bigger prints.
They do it so every time they go for food, for lunch, go downstairs, they feed their body and they feed their hearts with inspiration.
Okay, so let's get in actually.
And this is gonna be spring. The toilet's here. I don't think it's gonna show it.
Films. Over there on that wall, you can still see some kind of concepts and inspiration from spring. We can go there to see it in a moment. That is Pablito. He's always here every day, working really hard. And that is his desk over there. With,
Love it.
some animation stuff that he was doing. People like to keep their swords at hand to settle any kind of Blender UI disputes and things with the developers when the developers come over, and then like when you are a kid, you want to maybe be a fireman, a policeman, a train driver, and then you end up being an animator, but then you find out that still you can always get your police badge and policeman using your
Look, dweebs.
that is Julian's desk. You can see some already kind of anticipation of what to print the barbershop involves. This is also like a version of Spring done with the Vimaki printers that they made for us. And this is Andy's desk. So if you want to have the Andy experience, you can come here. And you can admire all the nice. Oh, yeah, Andy's here.
Oh no. Show.
I like your screen.
I can describe the Andy experience. So basically, usually the way it works is that Andy is here, and then I am here next to him, and then we just talk about stuff, and then I go away, and then Andy does all the things that that you see in the films, and that are magical and fantastic. And you can see again like another copy of the Spring here, the Agent. This one Andy made like recently with his own Prusa printer. So large. And, yeah, it's a very nice. Thing. This is original artwork. It's always Christmas here. Like it's original artwork from David from Spring, which is really cool, and it's a very good inspiration to have here on the in this room. This is the room of the room of the VR, so there is nothing to see, just people in VR. Being like dimension, we record some training.
Some of them are also
Say hi.
more like procedurally generated, but we can.
You're in so many of my videos already, Danielle.
We can easily have
Say lighthouse.
5 shape keys
The VR room.
and have
5.
the ability to store either
People playing, keep talking about
body
explodes.
color or shape keys or whatever in separate, just like user interface.
What is yeah, that is still here. I don't know exactly what they're going to do, but it's just for you guys to see what's the state of the art. So let's continue this way, and I think that brings you this room here.
First take on that.
Are regarding the failures that
I'm recording the tour so people that are at home, they can feel what it is to be here.
What is interesting about this room is that originally this was the lunch room during the CodeQuest times. So this is where all the CodeQuest team was having lunch and discussions and meetings about Blender 2.8. So a lot of important 2.8 decisions have been made here. And in fact, this is still a kitchen. And that's why you guys have to come again next year when this kitchen will not be here anymore, and this will actually look like a proper, you know, a production review and story room. And usually we have a screen there, and then somebody operates the computer, and then we can do artwork, talk about it. We can do like some team and project planning sessions, and just you know, general hangout. So I asked you guys already, but I forgot. Like, who is here for the very first time? Just okay, half of the people. Okay, cool. So you should definitely come again to see how this thing turns out. All right, let's keep going. Go downstairs. Let's go. Yeah.
So long.
Yeah, me once, two already. Yeah, I would love to. Yeah. Okay, let's go down.
I think this is probably the reference prop for Spring there. The unshown part of the tour is the server room, which might be locked. Let's find out. It's gonna be noisy. Oh, it's locked. It's locked. You cannot access the data. Yeah, maybe I have to reorder this for our... Alright, let's hurry up because I won't be editing any video, so let's keep the video interesting.
I hope you had a good time, and yeah, hope to see you next on the next one.
Start clapping, clapping.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Francesco. It was amazing.